In this video, we're going to be installing R on an Ubuntu Linux machine. To start, we're going to open our web browser and navigate to the R project website. That's r-project.org. We're then going to select Download R. And on the next page, we're going to select an appropriate mirror. In this case, I'm going to be using the Zero Cloud. So I click the link. And on the following page, I'm going to select Download R for Linux, specifically Ubuntu. And on this page, we see that only certain versions of Ubuntu are supported, and that the 2004 version that I have installed here is in fact supported. So I'm going to scroll down and start with the preliminary set of instructions here, which have us updating apt and installing a couple of items. So we're simply just going to copy and paste these in the terminal. I do have to use sudo to do this, though. I'm going to go back to the web page. I'm going to copy the next command, which simply installs two helper packages. Again, we're using sudo. In this case, it found several packages that need to be upgraded in order to handle this install, so it asks us if we wish to continue. I'm going to type yes. Now, while this finishes, I'm going to go back to the website and copy the next line, which is going to be the signing key for the repository that we have to add next. Okay, so let's clear this. Now sudo and paste and run this. And now we've added our signing key. Go back to the website. We're going to copy and paste the last line here, which is going to add the repository specific to the version of Ubuntu that I'm using. Note that it's using the LSB release to find out which version of Ubuntu. They've added this just to make things a little simpler for us. So we'll type sudo, we'll paste our command, hit enter. And you'll notice here that it automatically inserted the correct name of the Ubuntu version that I'm using. Now that this is finished, we'll go back to the website and scroll to the next section here where we're actually going to install R. So we'll copy this command to install rbase. Sudo, we'll paste. We'll now hit enter. This will, of course, find several things that need to be upgraded or installed. We'll say yes. This will start the installation. Now, once the installation is complete, we should be able to just type R and start the R console. And now we are ready to start programming in R.